Want to know how to set a custom ringtone for iPhone without using iTunes or Garageband? Let's do it! Instead of the outdated iTunes or Garageband, we're going to use iRingg. First, download and install iRingg, the ultimate iPhone ringtone maker. Link will be in the description. Then, open up iRingg. Select a song from your computer or find any song inside iRingg. Click Select. Trim the desired song fragment. Finally, add some additional effects such as a voice intro or sound emojis to make the ringtone even more personal. Hit export and your ringtone can be set directly to your iPhone or stored in your Mac and Windows PC. The ringtone will instantly transfer to your iPhone. That's it! Enjoy the new ringtone on your iPhone by selecting it in the tone section of your iPhone settings. And that's iRingg.